Did early humans know about antibiotics? Without treatment, infection could soon follow and threaten survival. In the prehistoric world, infection was often a silent, deadly sentence. There were no hospitals, no pharmacies, and no modern medicines.
Or were there? The story may not be so simple.
Ancient humans spent their lives observing nature, noticing patterns others might miss.
Some wounds healed faster than others, hinting that certain plants aided recovery.
Knowledge slowly accumulated through generations, becoming essential for survival in harsh conditions. Nature contained powerful substances. Honey can naturally slow bacterial growth. Tree resins offered another remedy, protecting damaged bark like a natural bandage. Humans may have recognized these protective properties through keen observation of trees. Archaeological discoveries support this, finding evidence of medicinal plant use in antiquity. Scientists discovered traces of medicinal herbs trapped in fossilized dental plaque. These findings surprised researchers, as these plants had little nutritional value. Yet they possessed clear medicinal properties, suggesting intentional, careful use by ancestors. However, they did not understand bacteria. Microbes remained invisible and mysterious. Healing depended entirely on observation. If a treatment worked, it was remembered. Mold may have played a role, as certain kinds produce antibiotic compounds. Historians suspect ancient peoples used these materials, though whether deliberate remains uncertain. Ancient healers experimented constantly, as the natural world was their pharmacy. Every plant represented a possibility, where success meant survival for the group. Communities shared healing knowledge, and these experienced healers became highly respected figures.
Over thousands of years, this vital wisdom increased the chances of survival.
Some remedies genuinely worked, while others were based on tradition alone. Even today, scientists study these traditional medicines to find life-saving drugs. Humanity's search for healing began long before civilization or written language. Ancient humans were not chemists, but they were incredibly skilled, patient observers.
They learned directly from nature itself, and those lessons saved countless lives.
Modern antibiotics changed the world, yet their origins stretch deep into prehistory. The first healers never understood microbes, yet they discovered nature's antibiotics early.
This is the story of our long journey toward understanding human medicine. They mastered the materials they had, preparing for every potential danger ahead. Each day presented new challenges to survive and to adapt to nature. Nature provided not only sustenance, but also the solutions to their ailments.
By identifying the right plants, they secured their future against unseen microscopic threats. Small actions created significant impacts on the longevity of the entire tribe. The passing of wisdom was the cornerstone of their continued, resilient growth.
Knowledge acted as a beacon, guiding them through the dark unknown of illness. Every seed of knowledge planted back then grew into what we know today. Their life was a constant cycle of learning and surviving in nature. Though they did not write it down, the message was clear to all. Each member contributed to the collective safety by sharing what they discovered. They learned directly from nature itself, and those lessons saved countless lives.
They ground these healing plants into pastes, ready for immediate, vital use.
Water, earth, and plants became the tools of their survival and medicine. These landscapes were the sites of many discoveries and many hard lessons.
Success was not guaranteed, but curiosity drove them to find a better way. This route held the potential to heal, tested by many generations before them. Focus and memory were their primary tools for advancing their medicinal knowledge base.
Strength in unity allowed them to protect their most valuable healing wisdom. Every tool and technique refined over time reflected their growing mastery of nature. Simple applications shielded wounds, preventing the worst outcomes they feared so much. Communication of this knowledge was crucial for every new generation of the clan. The struggle for health was as old as humanity itself, persistent and brave. Though much has changed, the root of medical science began with these observations. Artifacts tell the story of their daily life and their quiet search for survival. Each mark left behind serves as a reminder of their ingenuity and struggle. They lived in harmony and struggle, finding answers in the world around them. The stars saw their efforts, just as we see the results today. Survival was their ultimate success, passed down to all of us today.
A legacy of observation that defined the human spirit throughout our long history.
Nature held the answers, and our ancestors had the wisdom to look. They were the first, and we remain forever indebted to their discovery.